Tinday ki sabzi is a delicious and healthy dish that brings the flavors of India to the table. Perfect for vegetarians or anyone craving a tasty meal, this recipe is simple and satisfying. Start by gathering your ingredients. 500 grams of tinday, or Indian round gourd, 2 medium onions, 2 tomatoes, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. Fresh coriander for garnishing is a must. First, wash the tinday thoroughly. You can peel them if you like, but the skin adds extra nutrients. Cut them into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, chop the onions and tomatoes finely. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. This builds a flavorful base for the sabzi. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until the raw smell disappears. Toss in the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften, about 5 minutes. Now, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir well to combine the spices with the onion-tomato mixture. Add the chopped tinday, mix everything, and season with salt. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. The tinday will soften and absorb all those flavors. Once cooked, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garam masala and gently stir. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Tinday ki sabzi is ready to serve. It pairs beautifully with roti, paratha, or steamed rice. Enjoy this comforting and nutritious dish.